Hello everyone. In the previous chapter, we have studied about agriculture and different types of crops. Today, we are going to discuss about the basic practices of crop production. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand the basic practices of the crop production. Analyze the importance of utilization of manures and fertilizers during crop production. To get the good production of crops, various tasks are performed by the farmers. Such tasks are called the basic practices of crop production or agricultural practices. Let us discuss them one by one. Number 1. Preparation of soil. Number 2. Sowing of seeds. Number 3. Irrigation. Number 4. Adding manures and fertilizers. Number 5. Weedings. Number 6. Harvesting. And number 7. Storing. In the preparation of soil, 3 different processes are involved: plowing, leveling, and manuring. What is plowing? It is the process of loosening the soil. It is also called tilling. It allows the penetration of the roots for absorption of water and minerals. Leveling. Plowed lands are leveled. In this process, the bigger chunks are broken down into the smaller pieces so that it can prevent water logging. After plowing and leveling, manuring is done. Manures are usually added to the soil before sowing. Different types of manures are used. For example, farmyard manure, green manure, and compost manure. Farmyard manure consists of animal dung, straw, leaves, etc. The green manure consists of agricultural wastage, commonly from the leguminous plant. Compost manures are made up of cattle shed wastes and dry leaves. Beside manures, fertilizers are also added. It also helps in increasing the production of crops. Let us now discuss the differences between manures and fertilizers. Manures are natural and organic. On the other hand, fertilizers are man-made and inorganic. Manures add humus to the soil, whereas fertilizers do not. In comparison to fertilizers, manures are cheap and it is not nutrient specific. Fertilizers are nutrient specific. Nutrient specific means to provide the particular nutrients which is required by the plant. For example, if the plant requires phosphorus, the fertilizers rich in phosphorus is added to the soil. Manures are required in large amount and fertilizers are required in less amount. Can you give the examples of each? Once the soil is prepared, the seed is sown. It can be done by 2 different methods: manually by using hands or broadcaster, and secondly by using the seed drillers. Once the seed is sown, proper amount of water has to be provided to the crops. The process of supplying water to the crops is called irrigation. The different sources of irrigation are wells, tubes, ponds, lakes, etc. The 2 different methods are there for irrigation: modern method and traditional method. Moat, chain pump, Dekli, Rahat are the traditional method. In this method, water is lifted by using manpower or animal power. In modern version of these methods, water pumps are used by using electricity, diesel or any other source of energy. Sprinkle system, drip system and lift system are some of the modern methods of irrigation. Once the seed is sown, it grows into seedlings. The seedlings has to be transferred to the main field. This process is known as transplantation. Many other practices are also involved in crop production, like weeding. What is weeding? It is the process of removal of undesired plants that grow along with the crops. It is needed because the weed may compete with the crops for the nutrients. Once the crop is matured, it is cut and dried. This process is known as harvesting. It can be done manually with the help of a sickle or with a machine called combine or the harvester. The harvested grains are called crop produce or the crop yields. The crop produce further are stored for the future use. For this purpose, silos, godowns, etc. are used. With this, we come to end our topic today. So friends, I hope you all have understood. Can you answer the following questions? Thank you.